I was cycling to work like any other day, except today my hours had changed, and I was starting a bit earlier than usual.
What a prick. I'm good.
Sanka, you dead?
Yeah, man.
Bro, why are you indicating last second?
Bro, let me come off the road.
No, I'm good.
Did you bang your head?
I'm not too sure, but I'll speak to her.
Do you want me to say?
No, it's okay. It's a bike, but so I'm good, thank you though, yeah. Bro.
Sorry, I just saw the crash point machine. I just tried to get. I didn't know you were coming with speed. I'm sorry. You alright though, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Sorry. How about your bike?
Nah, I think the bike's alright, bro.
Yeah. How about you? You are the most important thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw that you're okay, big bro. Yeah, I just saw the crash point machine. Can I have a ride a little bit?
Nah, bro, it's cool. Y'all, you wanna test? Yeah.
And this is my daughter's car, you know. Look at the windscreen. I'm in trouble. I know. You change, bro.
That's alright, bro. I'll see it.
But you're alright though. You're alright.
Yeah. Are you okay?
It's just my daughter's
good.
car.
Are you okay though?
Yeah,
Are you okay?
I'll just try and fix it.
Yeah.
I saw that. You see, that's what I saw.
Nah, I
So I
hear
just
you, bro.
quickly translate that, but I didn't look at it.
Nah, are you alright as well though? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just a little bit shocked, but
Nah,
you know, it's alright.
don't worry,
You are the
bro.
most
I
important
appreciate it, bro.
You're the most important thing to me, bro.
Alright. I'm just gonna ride my bike round to see if it works.
Yeah. Just check it out, yeah.
Yeah. Fuck's sake. Damn. Yeah, I think it's alright. Yeah. It should be alright. Yeah. Nah, it's all good, bro.
I'm gonna stay here for a while, just take away the shock.
Are you sure you're okay though, yeah?
Yeah, I'm alright. It's just a shock. I'm alright.
I know, yeah.
Okay, B.
Have a good day. Sorry about that, man.
Yeah, man, it's alright.
As long as I'm good, you're good.
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
That's why you're good, because you fell down, though.
Yeah. Alright, bro.
Get some brother to get me blue.
Alright, bro.
Okay, nice one. I appreciate it.
Have a good day. Have a good day, yeah.
Okay, what's up?
Thanks for tuning in. Let's remember that spreading love is more powerful than responding with hate. Together, we can build a more peaceful world. Till next time, let's keep the good vibes going.